We've made these apple streusel muffins with our 60-40 blend. Simple thing, just to take the white flour out of any recipe and use the 60-40 blend for a lot healthier baking. It's 40% whole grains using sprouted grains and 40% white flour. So you can just switch it 1 for 1 in any recipe and you'll get a lot healthier result. Good. Whenever you're cooking muffins, make sure to put the muffin pan on the highest rack of the oven to ensure that the top gets crunchy and the bottom doesn't get burned. The higher you put it in the oven, the more the heat is focused on the top of the muffin. Starting the muffins at a high temperature and turning it down later gives you a good rise and a dome shape on the muffin as the muffin tries to quickly rise as the top is setting. We've used pumpkin puree in this recipe. It can also be switched out with applesauce. If you want a more appley flavor, you could also switch it for yogurt. The spice mixture we use can be varied according to your taste. Fresh ground spices are always the tastiest. Any kind of fall spices are delicious in this. I like to mix any fruit in with the dry ingredients before I mix them up. This helps them suspend in the batter more evenly. And if it's anything that's colored, it also helps the color to stop from bleeding through the rest of the batter. Make sure not to overmix your muffins. Mix just until the flour is absorbed and no more than that with a spatula. Before you mix the wet and the dries, you're going to whisk them. When you put them together, you're going to use a spatula and just fold it together until the flour is incorporated so you're not developing too much gluten.
They are tasty. Yeah, they're quite good.